Welcome to Health Senior, your trusted companion for healthy aging. From simple fitness tips and nutritious recipes to expert advice on managing chronic conditions, we're here to help you live your golden years with strength, energy, and joy. Whether you're 60 or 90, it's never too late to feel your best. New videos every day, so hit that subscribe button and join our community of vibrant, healthy seniors. This is Health Senior, because your health deserves the spotlight. 5 hidden causes of weak legs after 60, and how to fix them before it's too late. Are your legs feeling weaker, shakier, or more fatigued than before? Struggling with stairs or standing for long? Weak legs aren't just a normal part of aging, they're a red flag that your body is losing strength, circulation, or vital nutrients. Ignoring this can lead to falls, loss of independence, or serious health issues. The good news: by understanding the causes, you can take simple steps to rebuild leg strength and move confidently again. Here are the 5 biggest reasons your legs are weakening and how to address them. Disclaimer: this information is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Consult a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. 1. Muscle loss, sarcopenia. After age 60, muscle mass declines rapidly due to sarcopenia, which can start in your 30s. By your 80s, you could lose up to 30% of your muscle, making tasks like standing, walking, or climbing stairs harder. Signs include thinner thighs/calves, leg heaviness, or fatigue after short walks. Do strength exercises like chair squats, leg lifts, or resistance band workouts. Eat protein-rich foods, lean meats, eggs, fish, dairy, nuts, legumes, to support muscle repair. Walk 10 to 15 minutes daily to keep muscles active. 2. Poor circulation, peripheral artery disease, PAD. Cold, numb, or cramping legs when walking may signal poor blood flow, often from plaque buildup in arteries, PAD. This weakens legs, causes fatigue, and, in severe cases, leads to slow healing wounds or infections. Symptoms include heavy/tingly legs or calf pain that eases when resting. Walk daily, even short distances, to improve blood flow. Stay hydrated and reduce salt to prevent swelling. Try warm foot soaks, massages, or elevating legs. See a doctor if symptoms persist, as untreated PAD raises heart disease/stroke risk. 3. Nerve damage, peripheral neuropathy. Tingling, numbness, or a burning sensation in your legs/feet could indicate peripheral neuropathy, common in seniors, especially with diabetes or B12 deficiency. It can feel like walking on sponges, increasing fall risk. Monitor blood sugar to protect nerves. Eat B12-rich foods, eggs, dairy, leafy greens, and limit alcohol. Try gentle leg/foot massages to ease discomfort. Consult a doctor for persistent numbness to discuss testing/treatment. 4. Spinal issues, sciatica or herniated discs. Your lower back affects leg strength. Herniated discs, spinal stenosis, or poor posture can pinch spinal nerves, causing leg weakness, pain, or sudden collapses. Symptoms include back pain radiating to legs, foot numbness, or one leg feeling weaker. Do gentle back stretches, knee to chest, seated spinal twists. Avoid prolonged sitting. Use lumbar support and move every 30 minutes. Maintain good posture to support spinal health. 5. Electrolyte imbalance, magnesium/potassium deficiency. Sudden leg cramps, shakiness, or weakness may stem from low magnesium or potassium, vital for muscle function. Causes include dehydration, medications, e.g., diuretics, or poor diet. Low potassium causes spasms, while low magnesium leads to twitching/fatigue. Eat potassium-rich foods, bananas, oranges, spinach, avocados, and magnesium-rich foods, almonds, dark chocolate, whole grains, beans. Stay hydrated to prevent imbalances. Try Epsom salt baths to relax muscles and absorb magnesium. Take action now. Weak legs signal that your body needs care. Start today. Exercise 5+ minutes daily, walking, strength training. Eat protein and nutrient-rich foods. Stay hydrated and balance electrolytes. Check posture and spinal health. Walk to boost circulation. Don't wait until falls or complications arise. If symptoms persist, consult a doctor. Share your thoughts below. Which cause surprised you most? For more tips, subscribe and share with someone who needs stronger legs. This exercise revolutionizes fitness after 60. Reclaim your leg strength. This form of exercise stands above the rest, giving athletes, and you, a unique edge physically, spiritually, emotionally, and mentally. Its power lies not only in high-intensity efforts but also in recovery. The more you practice, the stronger you become, and your recovery time shrinks, serving as a true fitness indicator. Have you noticed everyday tasks getting harder? Standing from a chair or walking to the mailbox feeling more taxing? You're not imagining it, and you're not alone. After 60, leg strength naturally declines, turning stair climbing into a cautious task. It's frustrating, but here's the truth. This isn't just aging, and it's not your inevitable future. With simple, practical steps, you can keep your legs strong, steady, and ready for life's joys, traveling, playing with grandkids, or moving confidently at home. No gym or intense workouts needed. In this video, we'll reveal 6 hidden reasons your legs are weakening and share doable strategies to fight back. Ready to reclaim your strength? Let's dive in. Drop a comment with your location and the health topic you'd like next. Plus, we're giving away 100 free copies of Barbara's best-selling book to subscribers. Subscribe and comment why you want to win. Leg weakness often stems from disuse, dehydration, poor nutrition, lack of rest, or insufficient vitamin D from sunlight, which hinders mineral absorption. Mouth breathing reduces oxygen, further weakening muscles. The critical role of leg strength after 60. Your legs are the foundation of movement, enabling you to stand, walk, climb stairs, and balance. After 60, strong legs preserve independence and quality of life. They let you rise from chairs without arm support, step out of bathtubs unaided, or shop without leaning on carts. These small acts define self-sufficiency versus dependence. Strong legs also protect against falls, a major risk as we age. Robust quadriceps and hamstrings help you recover from stumbles, while strong calves ensure controlled descents. Leg strength supports circulation, with calf muscles acting as a secondary heart pump, preventing swelling or fatigue. Large leg muscles regulate blood sugar by consuming glucose, supporting insulin sensitivity, a vital function as we age. Whether 9 or 90, strong legs are achievable. Google 100-year-old athletes for inspiration. My colleague Amelia, a naturopath, showed me photos of 2 80-year-old women, one hunched with a cane, the other fit in a sports bra, abs visible. Both 80, but their lifestyles differed vastly. The cost of neglecting leg strength. Ignoring leg strength can spiral from minor difficulties, like struggling to stand, to needing help with basic mobility. Balance issues may foster fear of falling, limiting activity and accelerating muscle loss. Yet, research shows leg strength can improve at any age, even in your 90s. Targeted exercises rebuild muscle, restore function, and maintain brain-muscle connections. Strong legs enable life's joys, playing with grandkids, traveling, or living independently. Aging doesn't mandate weakness. Dramatic strength loss often stems from inactivity, not age. God designed our bodies for daily activity, which preserves vitality. When I meet vibrant seniors, I know they're active. Muscle knows no age. Whether 9 or 90, you can build strength. 6 reasons your legs weaken after 60. 1. Silent muscle loss, sarcopenia. After 30, muscle mass declines quietly, with up to 40% loss by 60. Tasks like standing or carrying groceries become harder without warning. You might climb stairs slower or avoid lifting, blaming age. But muscle loss isn't inevitable. Research shows strength can be rebuilt even in your 80s with the right exercises, which we'll cover soon. 2. Slowed nerve signals. Aging slows nerve signals from brain to legs, like a delayed text message. This causes hesitation in steps or lower foot lifts, impacting balance. You may feel less steady on uneven ground. The good news: simple exercises can retrain nerve pathways, improving coordination and confidence in weeks. 3. Stiff joints. Knees and hips lose lubricating fluid and cartilage, causing stiffness or discomfort, especially in the morning or on stairs. This alters movement, shorter steps, less bending, weakening surrounding muscles. Gentle movements can restore joint mobility, and we'll share safe techniques in the solutions. 4. reduced circulation. A megakenta bloodstream delivers oxygen and nutrients less efficiently, tiring legs faster. Standing or walking may feel heavy, and recovery slows as waste products linger. Simple activities, even seated, can boost circulation, benefiting your whole body. We'll explore these soon. 5. Diminished balance. Tiny sensors in your ears and joints, which maintain balance, lose precision after 60. This leads to shorter steps, tense muscles, and avoided movements, weakening legs. Specific balance exercises, often with chair support, can sharpen the system, boosting confidence and strength. 6. Inactivity's amplified impact. After 60, even brief inactivity, like a few days indoors, causes rapid muscle loss. Muscles adapt to lower demands, weakening faster than in youth. A short illness or bad weather can make tasks harder. Small, consistent movements prevent this, requiring minimal effort for big gains. Solutions: your leg strength comeback. 1. Martha's chair gym. Martha, 72, transformed her legs using her chair as a gym. She practiced stealth exercises. Morning, 3 slow sit-to-stands at the counter before breakfast. Noon, seated leg marches, 10 per leg, during TV. Evening, 5 slow heel raises while brushing teeth. Within a month, she stood from her sofa effortlessly. My legs feel young again. 2. Joe's ninja movements. Joe, 68, stays strong with daily ninja movements. Morning, squats to pick up the newspaper, lowering slowly. Midday, extra steps to the mailbox. Evening, 1 leg balance during TV ads, holding a chair. He now carries his granddaughter piggyback, impossible 2 years ago. 3. Sarah's nighttime ritual. Sarah, 65, rebuilt leg strength post-knee replacement with evening, slow living room walks, imagining lamp posts. Bedtime, knee presses into a pillow for 10 seconds. Night, cottage cheese with cinnamon for protein. She now cooks for 30 minutes without sitting, barely noticing the change. Additional tips: elevate legs. Rest legs elevated for 8 hours nightly to reduce swelling. Use ice massages for pain to reduce inflammation. Calf pumps. Flex and relax calves, e.g., toe springs, to boost circulation, acting as a second heart for venous return. Rebounding. Gentle bouncing on a rebounder improves balance by engaging feet and ear sensors. Start with support if needed. Conclusion: your legs, your freedom. Neglecting leg strength risks losing independence, turning standing into a struggle. But your legs are pillars of freedom, engines of adventure. Each step today promises future mobility. Weakness isn't destiny. With knowledge and action, you can defy aging myths, reclaim strength, and write vibrant chapters. Act now, your strongest days await. If this helped, share it, like, and subscribe for more health tips. Comment your thoughts or desired topics. Stay informed, stay healthy. Thanks for watching Health Senior, where healthy living never gets old. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who cares about their health too. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new tip, recipe, or wellness guide. Stay active, stay happy, and most of all, stay healthy. See you in the next video.